Upper and Midshore are enjoying an inventory increase of 15.2%, up from last week. Purchase contracts are down 8.4% as prices declined 2.5% week over week. It's Friday, August 11th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. The lower shore is experiencing a 20.3% decline in new purchase contracts, but new inventory is up 10.9% week over week. Showings declined 6.5%, but prices rose 3.4%. This week, inventory fell to 1,205 homes for sale on the shore. 93 homes are poised to hit the market soon, falling again this week. 171 homes came to the market over the past week, falling from the prior week. 75 homes went under contract and 55 went pending, both fewer this week than last. 101 properties sold in 13 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home sold in Caroline County's Preston for $3,100,000. Homes for lease rose again this week to 77 at $2,000 per month as properties are leasing in 13 median days. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, August 11th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week.